Hello folks, it's George down here at George's Kentucky Workshop. I've been asked by a couple of people to explain my setup here for my waste oil hybrid stove. Right here is about a 30-gallon plastic drum that I cut the lid off of, and I quick cut out that piece of wood on the top there. What I can do is I can lift my fan off, lift that piece of wood off. I pour my waste oil, hydraulic oil, veggie oil right directly into this bottom 30-gallon drum. Put my piece of wood on, put my fan on there. Coming out of that 30-gallon drum right there, I have an old school drum, 55-gallon drum pump. I made that handle. That pumps my oil from the bottom up all the way up the top, goes into the top of my 5-gallon Lowe's bucket there. There's a lid on there. Goes down into the barrel a couple of inches. I'm going to turn this here. See this little sight glass I made? I'll turn my hand pump and you'll see that going up. Yeah, see it going up? That's how I get oil into my top 5-gallon bucket without making a mess. Well, from there, it goes down, it drips out of this ball cock valve. See the drip? It goes into the funnel, through the piece of high temperature heater hose, into the black iron, and into a little manifold I made that goes inside the stove. Okay, there's my barrel stove right there. Here's a shot of the inside of my stove right now. A little bit of wood in there, but burning that little oil. You saw that oil going drip, drip, drip. Okay, over here, that's a piece of 2-inch Schedule 40 PVC that comes from the outside, that comes along here. Goes to this 2-inch gate valve I don't use anymore. I just leave that wide open. Goes to this little fan that I have, this little blower I have here, a little squirrel cage blower, which in turn blows air into the combustion chamber. I've got that little rheostat on the top where I can adjust the speed to it. That's all stainless steel. The only thing that's black iron is the very cap piece. So I come up out of my stove with 6-inch stainless steel, up into a stainless steel T, outside into another stainless steel T that goes vertical. When I go to clean this, I take off my pipe cap on the outside. I take this off right here. This cap comes right off. I push the brush right straight through, and then I can push the brush up. It's going pretty good right now. It's not real hot. All right, let's look here. Here's my thermal gun. It's about 63.5 degrees on the floor. Stove temperature, like I say, it's a nice slow burn. About 560 degrees. Nice slow burn. When I got this thing, when I get down here, and I've got the blower going full tilt and everything, my barrel temperature is over 800 degrees. But even at that, let's go outside and we'll see how clean it's burning. Now, we're running real time here. I'm not stopping the video, so you can't say, well, how do we know that's how clean it's burning? God, it's bright out here. Let's go out here. Let's walk around the corner of the building. There you go. Let me get a little closer here. Do you see any smoke coming out of that at all? Do you know why you don't see any? Because there is none. Alright, you can see here where I've got the 6-inch stainless steel comes out, stainless steel T, that cap comes off the bottom, Goes all the way up to a stainless steel Chinaman cap up there. And right here is the 2-inch air intake for the combustion chamber. So I'm not using any of the inside air for combustion. So I'm not creating a vacuum, therefore sucking more cold air from outside into the building. Well, that's my little burner system there. And it works real good. I can burn anything. I can burn wood. I started on wood, then go over to oil. After I get the temperature of the shop up, I turn off the oil, and it's real easy to maintain the shop temperature there with the wood. Miss JoJo's pretty motorcycle. Well, that's about it. Let me take you over here to the wall temperature right now. I had it going pretty good there about an hour ago, and then I cranked it way down. There's my temperature inside right now. So I'm going to shut off my oil. I'm going to shut off the blower altogether and just be cruising the rest of the afternoon on a small wood fire. Okay. Oh, by the way, when I got the stove going real good, I turned this fan on, which is about a foot away. It's about a 24-inch metal fan. Yeah, I just turned it on. Man, that blows right on that barrel, and man, that heats up my shop really, really quick. I come down here, if my shop temperature is about 40 degrees, I can go from 40 degrees to 80 degrees in less than 1 hour. And that's from total cold startup to 80 plus degrees in less than an hour. And like I say, I'll let her run at 80 for about half an hour till everything's really good and warmed up. I'll shut the oil down, which I'm going to do right now. There you go, oil's off. And I'll just keep a small wood fire going in there, and I'm able to maintain it. Tough part is bringing it up to temperature. Okay, blower's off. All right, there you go. I hope that kind of explains things more in depth. That's it, folks. Have a good day. Be kind. Oh, thumbs up. JoJo keeps telling me, I keep forgetting. Thumbs up. If you give us, please give us a thumbs up. That's supposed to make some kind of big difference. I'm not sure why, but it does. Okay, folks, have a good day. Be safe.